So in this Keynote tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to edit the table font size here on Keynote on a Keynote presentation. So once Keynote's opened up, what I want you to do is go to the top here and add a table to your design. So for this demonstration, I will use the green table right here. So if you were to go into one of the cells, and let's just say I want to name this 1, I want this to be 2, I want this to be 3, and I want this to be 4. Just like that. So that's the default font size. Now if you want to edit it, so you want to make it larger, press on the cell, go over to the right where it says table font size. And if you press on the large A, it'll make the font size bigger. As you can tell, that makes it, for all of them, you can go ahead and change the font size by making it a little bit smaller as well. You can make it super small. Whatever the case may be, it's completely up to you. Just go ahead and press this as many times as you want to make it larger or to make it smaller. That is completely up to you. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to edit the table font size here on Keynote. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.